The BIR's probe into the flood control scandal is widening as hundreds more individuals and contractors come under scrutiny for questionable transactions and alleged tax violations. Hannah T is on the line for the details. Go ahead, Hannah.
The Bureau of Internal Revenue's crackdown on individuals linked to the flood control scandal is far from over. More than 200 individuals and contractors are now under investigation following the filing of tax evasion cases against 3 of the so-called 5 BGC boys and the Discaya couple. The BIR Special Audit Team is currently tracking questionable transactions and ghost projects linked to contractors suspected of falsifying reports and evaded taxes.
Yan nga ang directive, di ba, to prioritize our so lahat talaga nakatutok, and we will make sure na lahat ng kumpanya na involved, lahat ng na mention dyan ay ma-investigate.
Some companies, according to Lumagi, have refused to cooperate, forcing the BIR to issue substitute notices and enforce stricter documentation rules. The Discaya couple's St. Gerard Construction Corporation is already facing tax evasion charges for over 7 billion worth of its tax deficiencies, with more cases being prepared against related firms operating under joint ventures. Lumagi stressed that paying unpaid taxes will not erase criminal accountability. The criminal case for tax evasion is separate from the tax liability. Even if they are acquitted, that does not erase their tax obligations. He also cited the case of former DPWH engineer Bryce Hernandez, who returned luxury vehicles, clarifying that this does not count as restitution but a tax liability that must be settled.
Hannah, do we know if there are lawmakers included or senators?
Yes, we asked him about some senators who may have been implicated, who were implicated in the flood control scandal. That includes former senators and incumbent senators like Senators Cheese Escudero, Jinggoy Estrada, Joel Villanueva. He said they're also eyeing to investigate some of their, if meron man no, kung merong tax deficiencies, itong mga senador, including some congressmen. Back to you, Mai.
Thank you for that report, Hannah T.